Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to add a custom amount to your Steam wallet? Here's how. Fast and easy. Open Steam, go to your username, and on the top right, click Account Details. Click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. You will see fixed amounts, but we want a custom one. Go to this link, https store.steampowered.com slash Steam account slash add funds amount equal to replace the 5 with your desired amounts in cents, for example 150 150 1.50 or $1.50, like that. That's it. Thanks for watching.